When I was a pastor, I wished there was a simple, meaningful, and relevant pathway to learn church leadership basics for lay people, those that wanted to learn but didn't want a full master's degree. Now, that pathway is here. On behalf of Briercrest Seminary and Co-Vocational Canada, we are delighted to tell you about 2 not-for-credit certificates, one basic and one advanced, designed to equip mid-career, non-theologically educated Jesus followers wanting to grow in their knowledge of God and their ability to serve the church.
All sessions are taught live by Briercrest Seminary faculty in 3-hour blocks, 1 evening a week online over Zoom. You'll complete each certificate within 3 months. So it's 1 3-hour session per week for a total of 36 hours of class time.
Our basic certificate runs September to November and includes 4 weeks of Bible, both Old and New Testaments, 4 weeks of systematic theology, 1 week of history from the time of the apostles to the present, and 3 weeks of pastoral theology, covering everything from crafting a sermon and delivering it, conducting weddings and funerals and baptisms, and the basics of pastoral counseling.
Our advanced certificate builds on but is not necessarily dependent on the basic certificate. In other words, you can take the advanced certificate even if you have not taken the basic one. This 12-week course runs January to March, and it zeroes in on co-vocational ministry models. Together, we'll explore biblical and theological insights, the mission of the Co-Vo Church, equipping in a Co-Vo Church, and a handful of other very practical topics like how to work with boards and dealing with conflict, managing church finance, spiritual formation basics, and skills for better time management.
The total cost for each certificate includes all 12 sessions. Or if you just want to come for one session, you can simply pay for that one. Here's something I'm most excited about. I've been talking with a handful of denominational leaders, and for some of you, the things you learn in the certificates may count toward your credentialing process. Talk to your denominational credentialing coordinator to find out details. If you or someone in your church might be interested, we would love to have you join us. Space is limited, and the deadline to register is on the website. For more information and to sign up, visit briercrest.ca/covo.